Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Can you ever have too many water bottles? I don't think so. I really like this one from Stanley. This is the 40-ounce Stanley Quencher, and this is a stainless steel water bottle. I really love this. So it is made from a really durable, high-quality stainless steel. It comes with this really nice cap that screws into place, and it does a great job of keeping your water from spilling. And I love that it's the big 40-ounce size so that I can fill it up in the morning and I have water with me all day long, and I don't have to keep refilling a small bottle. I also appreciate this nice soft grip on the handle, and it's really comfortable and easy to hold, so I have no trouble carrying it around. As a bonus, it actually fits in my car's cup holder. Even though it is such a large bottle, it has the tapered bottom, so that is awesome. It's also dishwasher safe, so it makes cleaning really easy, but you can also hand wash it in no time at all. So I just could not be happier with this water bottle. I think it looks really nice. I love this cream color, and I love that it helps to keep me hydrated. So this is the perfect hydration companion. I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.